morning students, welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed about types of the communication. What's the types? Formal communication and informal communication. And what's the formal communication? What is formal communication? Means here it is the communication flow through official channel designed in the organization chart. Means it is formal communication means what it is? Official channel designed in the organization chart. It is official communication. Means it is communication takes place between the superior to the subordinate to the superior. Okay. The formal communication may be a written or oral communication. Last class I explained you. Yes, I explained. Last class I explained communication. Communication may be a written or oral communication, and formal communication may be a vertical or horizontal communication. Vertical communication are the two types. What are the two types? Upward communication and downward communication. I explained last class. Now we will discuss about what are the types of the formal communication. Okay, formal communication. It is what are the types? Means it is first one. It is single channel. And second one is wheel. Second one is wheel. And third one is circle. Third one is circle. And fourth one. Okay. Fourth one it is free flow network. Free flow network. And finally, last one is inverted. Finally, last one is inverted V. Okay, inverted V. This is the types of the formal communication. Okay, formal communication, it is single channel, V, circle, free flow network, and inverted V. We will see one by one here. It is single channel. Single channel means it is the network exists between the superior and his subordinates. Superior and his subordinates. Here it is single channel means here it is single channel means network exists between superior and his subordinates. It is called as a single channel communication. Single channel communication means it is a type of the network of existence between the superior and subordinates. The only communication it should be a superior to the subordinates. And here it is many level existence in the organization structure. It is means always superior subordinate if it is there means that should be organized structure only. Already in organizing I explained what are the organized structure there. What are the organized structure there means it is what is that? Purchasing, innovation and development, marketing. These are all the organized structure. Okay. Here also same thing will repeat here. Okay. And single child, how it should be means see here it is single child. This is the single child. Okay. Is the superior. The superior will send the information to the subordinates. Will send to the subordinates. Will send the information subordinates. Means through the here it is means superior will send to the information to the one subordinate, okay, and the subordinate will send to the another subordinate, so another subordinate will send to the other subordinate. The information will flow like this only single line, only single line they are sending the information. Here it is, okay, only in single line they are sending the information, supervisor to the subordinates. The communication which should be a only single line. It may be many levels. It is always the organized structure. It is with supervisor. Means it is always an official channel. It is formal communication means what it is? Official channel means it should be have only they will flow the information. It is with one effective manner. They will send the information like this. Okay, the superior will send to the subordinate, subordinate will send to the another subordinate, the subordinate will send to the another subordinate. Like this in one single line, they will sending the information superior to the subordinates. Is called as a single chain. Okay, single chain. This is the single chain network. And next one it is wheel. Next one wheel. Okay. Next one it is wheel. Okay, wheel. Wheel it is a network. All subordinates under one superior. All subordinates under the one superior communicate through him only. Communicate through the him only. Means it is wheel network means it is all subordinate under the superior only. Communicate through him only. Only you have to talk, the subordinates only talk with superior only. They should not discuss them amongst them. They should not discuss among themselves. They should not. Okay? It is will means here it is will subordinate. So will communication means it is a will it is a network where it is a network and where it is a network and all subordinates under the one superior, under the one superior and communicate through communicate him only. They have to communicate. Here it is under one superior. Means it is a network. All subordinates under one superior communicate through the him only and him only. Here example I will just see here. It is how it will be wheel chain means it is network. It is this is A. He is the superior and here it is C. He is the superior. Okay, and all subordinates. There are the subordinates. All subordinates under the one superior. All subordinates under the one superior communicate through him only. And all subordinates will talk with only him. Means you have to, if supervisor will tell any information the C here. Only we have to discuss here. C have to discuss with the A, B have to discuss with the B, and E have to discuss with the A, B has to discuss with the A. Like this, the information will flow here. That is the wheel. And here it is. A is the means superior is the hump of the wheel. This is the wheel. Okay. This is the wheel. Okay. In this wheel, hump of the wheel means superior is the hump of the wheel, and they have to discuss only with the superior only. They will not discuss with each other. They should not discuss with themselves only. They should not only discuss with the superior only. Okay. And this is the wheel network. And next it is circle. Next it is circle. Circle it is the communication flow, the communication which is moves in circle. The communication moves in circle. The communication which is moves the circle. Okay. The each person can communicate with adjoining of two person. Adjoin the two person. Okay. Each person. Okay. Each person communicate. Each person can communicate as adjoining two person. Adjoining the two person. Only can communicate. Each person can communicate with is adjoining two person. Example, I will explain. See here it is how they will communicate. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. These are all the employees. Okay. Here it is the communication move with the circle. It is electronic circle. Okay, like this. Okay. Here each person can communicate with the is adjoining two person means here it is. Example you will see A is a person only communicate with the adjoining person. Only communicate with the adjoining person. Where is joining means here. See, this is the okay. This is the point. It is joining here. A should talk with or A should communicate with only B and E. You should not communicate with the D and C. Okay? Only they have to communicate with the adjoining two person. They should not communicate with others. Okay? They should communicate with the E and B. Only adjoining persons they have to communicate here. During this time, they have to only communicate with the adjoining person. And see here it is D. D is only communicate with the adjoining of the two person. Who is the two person? C and E. C and E only two persons. And here it is B. Only should communicate with the C and A. It is adjoining here. And E it is only communicate with the E and D. It is adjoining. Here it is communication flow which is only each person can communicate with adjoining of the two persons only. In this circle type. Okay? Only adjoining. Okay? In this network, okay, when the communication which should be slow. If they want to send fast decision to the employees means it is not preferable. They will not take this kind of the communication. D and D. It is slow process. Yes or no? It is very slow process, and this kind of the decision, this kind of the communication will not take when they will take a fast decision. That time they will not preparable. It is very slow communication. It will not preparable when the fast decision taking in the organization. Okay, and next it is free flow network. Here it is free flow network means, here it is free flow network. Free flow network means it is the person can communicate with each other freely, independently. In this network each person can communicate with each other freely, independently. Okay? In this network, the person can communicate with each other. They communicate with each other freely or independently. It's not free. Free it is with others or with each others. It's enough others. I think others freely. When it is in this network, it is person can communicate with others freely. They can communicate with their freely. No restrictions here. In circle, they have to communicate only or joining of the two persons. Is there no? In circle. In wheel also, only they have to communicate with subordinates. But here, they can communicate with each other. And here there is no restrictions. How means I will tell and I will explain through the diagram. See, that is yes. How they will communicate means, see here it is this network. The person can communicate with each other. Yes, A can communicate with the C. Okay, even B can communicate with the F. A can communicate with the D, and D can communicate with the F, and D can communicate with the B, and C can communicate with the D, and the C can communicate with the D, and A can communicate with the B, and A can communicate with the F, and even B can communicate with the C. Like this, they can communicate with each other. They can communicate with the others freely, independently. When they will independently communicate, that time the communication flow is very fast. When they will take the organization, they will take fast decision. That time it is very useful because the information will get easily and it will be fast decision they will take, and the communication which is also will very fast. This communication is a very fast communication. Why means they will sending each other. They can talk with freely. They can talk with the independently, and A can communicate with the A, C, D, E, and E can communicate with the D, C, E, A. Yes or no? Yes. And D can communicate with the D, C, D, E. Yes or no? If they will communicate independently, means the decision will be taken easily. Even the decision in this network. In this network, a subordinate in this subordinates allowed to communicate with immediate superior as well as superior. I think everyone thinking why he is writing two times superior. Okay, I will explain. Let us see. Yeah. See here it is. In this network, subordinate allowed to communicate with immediate superior. Here it is. He is the superior. He is the subordinate, and he is the subordinate. The subordinate here it is allowed to communicate with immediate. Here it is near. In near who is the subordinate? This is the immediate subordinate. Here it is distance is there, but immediate subordinate A. He is not immediate subordinate. That's why they can allow to communicate with the immediate subordinate as well as superior, as well as superior and superior, as well as superior and superior. Here it is immediate superior is the chairperson. Means it is the example. It is in colleges. Example I am telling in colleges. Principal is the immediate superior, and B is the chairman of the college. He is the chairman of the college. He is the principal of the college. Like this. Okay. Here also same thing in organization. Immediate superior it is A. Okay. And he is the chairperson. He is the principal. Like that. They are the employees. Okay. Like this. It is the information will flow it is allowed to the flow from the immediate subordinate and after that as well as B. And C and D can communicate with the A also, as well as they can communicate with the D also. Means they can communicate with the B also, even they can communicate with the A also. Okay, and only certain cases only they have to communicate with the B. If it is there any emergency, if they want to take fast decision, means that time only they have to communicate with the B. Otherwise they should not communicate. They have freedom to communicate, but with certain set of the rules. Means if there any emergency cases, if they want to take fast decision, means that time only they have to communicate with the B. Otherwise they should not communicate. You have to communicate with the B only. You have to communicate with the A only. Oh, this is the inverted V communication. Inverted V communication means it is this network subordinates allowed to communicate with immediate superior as well as superior and superior. And here it is C and D can communicate the A as well as they communicate with the B also. Okay, if it is there any prescribed, means only prescribed communication here is. Means if it is there any emergency case, that time only you have to communicate with the B. Otherwise they have to communicate with the A only. But they have freedom to communicate with the A. Okay. Okay, and this is the types of the formal communication. Means it is single chant, wheel, circle, free flow, echo, and inverted V. Next it is informal communication. I explained last class informal communication. Yes or no? Yes, I explained. Informal communication means this takes place without following the formal line of the communication. It is called as a informal communication. Informal communication as informal communication. Informal communication take place without following formal line of communication. Formal line of the communication is called as a informal communication. Informal communication is a communication which takes place without following here. We are not following any formal rules, any regulations. Here no nothing followed here. Just they are talking with casual talking. It is just they are talking. That's it. It is the workers they can talk each other. Example it is here means it is workers discussing about rumors. Example it is workers discussing about rumors. Workers discussing about rumors. Here example it is workers discussing about rumors, or it is okay some employees transfer, some employees promotion. Here they will be getting more salary. He is getting more salaries to very possessiveness, and they are telling behavior and they are commenting the other persons, and otherwise they are expecting the behavior of the superior. And here they will explaining about the gossips, rumors. Otherwise, if it is they will change plan means that time also they will talk something. Why we want new changes here? No need new changes. Already we are doing work effectively. Why we want new technology for this? We are getting more profit now. Why we want new technology? Like that the rumors, resistance, politics here creating. Which communication it is? Informal communication. Informal communication takes place without following formal line of the communication. It is called as a informal communication. Example it is worker discussing about rumors. Means worker discussing about the rumors, or some employees promotion, from employees transfer. They are discussing. Simply they will talk. That is informal communication. Here communication is generally referred, it should be a grapevine. Informal communication means it should be a, they will call, and another name it is grapevine. They will informal communication, they will call in this name also grapevine. Why? Because means the information will spread throughout the organization. How the grapevine will spread in grapevine how will spread in war means, otherwise in if it is if we will put in glass means grapevine, how it will spread total overall the glass. Like that also here it is the information spread throughout the organization. Not information here, it is rumors. Rumors here spreading throughout the organization. That's why we are going to workers will chit chat in the canteen. The workers chit chatting in canteen. Canteen, they are in canteen, they are doing like this. Okay? Okay, they are chit-chatting in canteen. Means it is the worker chit-chatting in the canteen. What they are discussing in canteen means they are discussing about behavior of the supervisor and transfer of the employees and promotion of the employees, and the supervisor will not work effectively. He is telling simply, he will always be sitting in chair only, like that gossips they are telling, and behavior of the supervisor, like that information the gossips will create here. Okay, and next it is the informal communication. It should be, okay, the manager will use in positive way only. The informal communication which is used by the manager, with positive way they will use. How means here it is manager will transfer the information as to know the reaction of his subordinate. Manager is the manager trans information has to know the reaction has to know the reaction of his or subordinates. Okay, here we will see the manager how they will use the informal organization positively. Means here it is the manager transfer the information as to know the reaction of his subordinates. The intelligent manager can use the informal organization positively. How means here I will tell. Means example, how they will use in positive way. Means in organization ban the jeans. Their employees will wearing the jeans. Means they will take to the in canteen. They will take. We have to ban the I will ban the jeans. You should come in formal way and every day. Today onwards. Example like that they will tell. Why they will telling? To know what's the reaction of the subordinates. If they will take positively, means they will implement them. If they will take negatively, means that time they will stop there only. Means what they stop means it is banning the jeans in the organization. We should not wear jeans. We have to wear and come formal way to organization. If they will take, if the subordinates will take positive means they will implement. If they will not take positive means they will not implement. Otherwise, if they will directly in officially they we will not the manager will not announce officially. That is also a trick for the manager. It is useful for the manager in positive way. If we will take positive way means that should be a positive way only. It should be the informal organization. It should be used for the manager. The intelligent manager can use these all tricks. The otherwise it will be very difficult. Okay, and this is the informal communication meaning and explanation. It is informal communication is that takes place it is only without following the formal line of the communication here, and it is the worker, it is the workers here is, and informal communication another name is this grapevine. Okay, why we are going to call the grapevine? Because it is spread throughout the organization. That's why we are going to call the grapevine. And informal communication, it is out of the need of the employees. Yes or no? Yes. No need informal communication in the organization. But the employees always they will share the views, facts, and they will telling something about other employees here. Okay. Here informal communication they will not follow the formal channel. They will not follow the formal line of the communication. They will talk with their own. They will talk, and workers can be the chit chat in the canteen. What they will discuss in canteen means here it is the and they are telling about the behavior of the superior, and even they will discussing about the other person promotion, other person transfer. They will discuss. Okay, and even it is the manager can pass the information. Means the manager will, if the manager they will use positive way in formal communication means it is useful for the organization. Already explained. Example it is jeans bag. Okay, this is the informal communication. Next class we will see what are the types of the informal communication or grapevine network. Informal communication, grapevine network, both are same. In 2 marks they will ask what do you mean by grapevine or informal communication. Grapevine or informal communication is both are same. If they will ask grapevine also, we have to write this meaning only. Okay, maybe they will ask for 2 marks. What do you mean by what is grapevine? They will ask means you have to write formal communication meaning only. Okay, understood? Next class we will discuss what is the types of the informal communication or grapevine communication or grapevine network types, and what are the how to improve the communications. We will see next class. Thank you.